In primetime news this evening, election mode. Prime Minister announces by-election date for Southeast Clarendon.
13 Jamaican residents in quarantine and 1 in isolation. I'm Shamela Pullen. I'll have the latest on efforts to protect the country against the coronavirus threat.
And it's not an outright ban. Health Minister seeks to further clarify statement on China-related travel due to coronavirus scare. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
This evening we're hearing from EPOC. Yes, the Economic Program Oversight Committee is still up and running, and local companies are being urged to search for more opportunities to export their goods. And I'll have all those details in the business day.
All right, thank you, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Jeremy Brown at the sports desk. He'll tell us what's coming up in sports. Jeremy.
Well, thank you, Herman. As you know, the Reggae Girls lost out on qualifying for the Olympics, but the coaching staff is saying all is not lost. The details when we come back.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: do you think there is enough support for the reggae music industry in Jamaica? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.